friends, or may help you to make videos. If you are a programmer, then it's a very easy method for you, and if you are not, then just download the Python application and do the things which I am doing right now. And please show some support and help me to reach at least 1K subs. I am working hard for that, and from now onwards I am making videos with voices, as you can see. Hope you guys going to love today's video. Now let's begin. So for this, first of all you need is a Python application. You can also use Visual Studio Code, or PyCharm, which I am using right now. So firstly you all need to install some functions from library, and before that you need to open your Python application. If you are using Python, then open command prompt, search cmd, narrate and pip install pyttsx3. If an error occurs, then previously narrate, import pyttsx3, narrate, engine equals pyttsx3.init, SAPI5. Here SAPI5 is a invoice system, audio. Now, let's proceed further. Narrate, voices equals engine.get property, voices. Now further you have to write, print, voices 0.id. Here, in system, there are 3 to 4 voice present. If you change 0 to 1, I am going to a female voice. Try different numbers for different assistants. Now, simply just write engine.set property, voices 0.id. Nothing much to explain about this. Now, we have to write time.sleep 5. If you change the number to 10, the program will run after 10 seconds. Now further, write def speak audio. This help you to run default system audio. Now, the end is coming near when this coding end, then I am not able to narrate anymore. So, really thank you, guys, for listening to me. Now we have to write engine.say audio, and then just simply write engine.run and wait. Now the main part where I am going to speak. Write if __name__ equals main, and then speak, and the phrase you want to narrate with my help, I have copied a speech and edited a little bit, so I am going to paste that. Now, my voice is going. Enjoy further video. Bye.
Money that I don't accept. Roll a little something like this. Daytime better come correct. They ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Roll a little something like this.
Citizens of the India, we are anonymous. This is an urgent emergency alert to all people of the India. The day we've all been waiting for has unfortunately arrived. The India is censoring the internet. Our blatant response is that we will not sit while our rights are taken away by the government we trusted them to preserve. This is not a call to arms, but a call to recognition and action. The Indian government has mastered this corrupt way of giving us a false sense of freedom. We think we are free and can do what we want, but in reality we are very limited and restricted as to what we can do, how we can think, and even how our education is obtained. We have been so distracted by this mirage of freedom, that we have just become what we were trying to escape from. For too long, we have been idle as our brothers and sisters were arrested.